Shane, how you going, mate?
Very well, Mark.
Very well, good. Hey, this morning we heard Andrew Elf talk about how important drilling fluids are to drilling programs and the impact that it can have. Do you want to explain a bit more what he was trying to say by that?
Yeah, can do. I think it is a statement that we hear a lot of across our customer base, both here within Australia and globally. Our customers are specifically interested in key drivers around bid on bottom time and keeping that bid moving, right?
Yeah.
They want to drill meters and they want to keep their clients happy. I think from our perspective, what we see is specifically a education within the market on the impact of fluids specifically on the program. And I think that's what Andrew was specifically referring to today. Yeah.
So how can we help them in that process? I mean, yeah, we've got chemists, we've got TSRs who get out there and help our customers. What specifically are we doing there?
So there's two sort of key areas where we're driving innovation within the fluid space. So the best way to think about it is innovation within the product itself, which is the chemistry, which is your domain.
Yep.
But also innovation within the service model. So how we're actually deploying those programs at site. So from the product perspective, what we're trying to do is we're trying to take the burden off our customers in terms of managing that program. So we recently announced the release of our multifunctional range.
Yep.
So multifunctional products, multiple different properties by solution, and it just limits the amount of variables at site, right? So the less that's going on, the less that can go wrong. So that's probably the product piece. On the service side of things, we have a model that we call IMS, which is IMDEX Managed Services. And that's specifically where our clients, whether they're faced with high degrees of variation at site or remote operations, whatever it might be, that they see a lot of value in having that dedicated resource at site. So if you think about a drilling program, one of the constants is probably change. So there's a lot of things that can go on. Changes can happen within the geology.
Yeah.
You might have a inexperienced drill crew, which is something we see more and more of today. And having a experienced, dedicated fluid engineer with multi-years experience in various different geologies and geographies at site helps our clients make decisions and changes to that program in near real time.
Yeah.
And they get a lot of value from that.
Yeah, and we often hear our customers talk about the different types of fluids that they need. Like, what are some of the areas that we can help them with?
Yeah, so specifically around lubrication, viscosity. So there's a wide range of different properties that our products actually support through deployment at site. And I think they're really looking at two key areas. So both in terms of drilling performance, so how many meters they can get drilled, and then also from a geology specific perspective, the quality of the actual core that's recovered.
Yeah, that's super important.
So it's super important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you can get that rock out the ground, maintain it, be able to take readings from it rather than just coming out as rubble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.